Hello, beautiful humans. Been doing a little bit of magical mysticism with Our Lady, Mother Mary, and been doing a blessing of water. And this got me thinking about how we might work with this, connecting it with the moon, because Our Lady is connected to the moon, and we can do a couple of things with it depending on what day we do the practice and what the moon phase is. So you can have a glass or a little vase like I have here, or a dish, whatever vessel feels good for you, of clean water. You can hold it in your hands and set an intention and speak a prayer. Actually, imagine as you're speaking it that that prayer is being blessed by Our Lady who resides in your heart. Like her heart light is shining through your hands, through your throat as you speak, and you're just putting all those good intentions into that water. And then let's say you're doing this sometime in the phase of the waxing moon. So maybe you start around new moon and then you let it build for the 2 weeks that follow every day if you wish. Or if you start at the crescent moon, maybe it's for the following week as the waxing moon increases towards full moon. But every day that you can, up until the full moon, you repeat, you reiterate, you re-energize that intention and those words, and you put it into that water and you keep it on an altar or wherever you want it to be. And then at the end of that period, preferably on the night of the full moon, you can imagine offering that water. So it might be releasing it into nature, pouring it with this sense that you're releasing something beautiful and blessed to allow your wishes to manifest, your intentions, your prayers to be answered. But at the same time, that sense of goodness and generosity being shared with the earth and all of the earth's creatures. You could also pour it over an amulet or a crystal, or wash your hands with it and then do some nice auric cleansing using the water in your hands. Can be creative with these things, but anything that we do that integrates our energy, our intention, our mind, our body, and our actions, which we might call ritual, is actually a beautiful and empowering way to help open up the gateways between the mystical realms of divine love and the material world in the here and now, where we really need that love and really can create blessings, attract them, and share them for the greater good. So I wanted to share that with you. I hope whatever magical mysticism you feel inspired to create goes beautifully, manifest benefit and blessing for you and for all beings. So much love from my heart to yours, dear ones. Namaste.